Snugglets, are you all ready to play my letters and sounds game with me today? Have you all got your listening ears on? Let me see you turn them on. I've got a basket here today full of things that make different sounds. Would you like to see what they are? We've got time for tea. Listen to the sound. Time for tea. We've got some water. Did you hear the sound? We've got some keys. Listen. We've got some bells. Hear that? We've got a snack. Crinkly, crinkly snack. We've got a tape measure. Listen carefully. We've got a nail file, scratchy. Hear that? We've got a balloon. Snap, snap, snap. We've got a box of beads. Hear that? Really rattly. And the last thing is a bottle from the bathroom. Hear the tap, hear the cap. Now it's time to play the game. I'm going to hide all of those things in my basket and I'm going to make one of the sounds and you have to guess which thing it is. Let's put them all back in. Are you ready? Have you got those listening ears turned on? I wonder if you'll guess which one this is. Ready? Did you hear that? I'll do it one more time. What did you think it was? What was that? The box of beads. Well done everybody. Who's ready for the second one? Listening ears on. What do you think that might be? I'll do it again. Did you guess? That's right, a bag of snacks. Okay, the third one. Listening ears on. Did you hear that? What do you think it was? What do you think? That's right, it's the bells. Good job. Number 4, are you ready? Listening ears on. Did you hear that sound? I wonder if you know what it is. One more time. Did you guess? Well done everybody, it was the keys. Good job. Okay, the next one. This one might be tricky. Listening is on. What do you think that is everybody? One more time. Did you guess? That's right, time for tea. Good job everyone. Just time for one more. Are we ready? Listening ears. Did you hear that? One more time. What do you think it was? That's right, the bottle from the bathroom. Good listening everybody. Bonus points for anyone that could hear the noise going on in my garden today. Somebody's doing some building, I think. Well done everybody. See you next time for Letters and Sounds. I wonder what sounds you can find in your house. Bye!